I'm PH Chester of Valley here, and today we're playing Minecraft survival games. And wait, how many people are in this? Uh, no one's here. Okay, never mind. So, as you can see, I'm using the third personal view on the back, cause that's how I survival games made. So, oh come on, I muted that. What the fudge, mate? Guys, please shut the fudge up. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? For now, I need to record a video about survival games. I want a record. Oh, come on, I muted that. Until I turn it back on. Come on. Okay, now. So, 1 minute. Okay, what? Only 4 people. Come on, join in, people. Wanna kill stuff. So, I have a Twitter and Instagram, but I'm using phone, so I can usually take my Twitter link and Instagram link to put it on my YouTube every time I upload a video. So maybe I will copy it next time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And hi Kyrie. Ayan tita, magre-record si tita. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And let's go. Okay, that's a great start. Okay, there. Okay, let's go. Move. Kyril, get off me. I said get off me. Okay, we're gonna get some massive kills after I get this one. Okay, let's go. Massive kills, boyos. Hey, where's your shirt on? Where's your shirt on? Huh? Okay, we got one. We got two. Bajan what? Bajan American. Come on, kill him. Yeah, buddy. How many people left? So shut up, Kyrie. Yeah, shut up. 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 Okay, let's put this down. So, shut up. Okay, we have to. You're a pain in the ass. Shut up. Oh, no. I don't want to use my kind of an underpen, so. No, Kyrie, stop it. Don't bite me. Okay, so that match will start in 5 minutes. Hey, get out of my sister's room, Kyrie. Get out. And where some people at? Okay, I can see in the compass. I know I'm not an idiot. I need to eat. Wait. Oh, I got. I want the potato. Oh, come on, don't. Okay, there. Is there anybody here? I wanna chop some people up. Oh, chest has been repaired. Let's go to the mid lane and hope we can find some, not loot, but people. I wanna kill them too. I wanna kill those 2 people left. Oh my god. Good thing Kyrie left. And I hope those 2 were killing each other, so all I just have to do is join them and kill them. Oh, ano? Sakit? Ayos lang? Ha? What? What? Okay, I saw someone. We're gonna chop in them, baby. Baby. Gonna chop you down, 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 okay. Kyrie, stop that. Ah! You're a pain in the ass. Shut up! Aray! Shut up! Kyrie, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You shut up. Kyrie, shut up. Baho mo. You're smelly. Yeah. Ah! Oh, wow. Killed by... How did he die? Oh, never mind. Oh, I just won. Never mind. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna make more video of this. Like, I'm gonna make it like a series too. Oh, yeah. And by the way, I'm gonna do the survival. Stop that! Do the... I am... Go there. Not here. Go there, you smelly pig. And I'm gonna do the... what the fudge. And I'm gonna... continue the... Will you please shut up, Kyrie? I'm gonna... do my survival series, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter page Chester Vale, and add me on Facebook Marchester Cosico Vale. And that's all for today. Bye bye.